Hello guys, this war for last video 2 weeks ago we used to find the value of missing on equation, but we was doing one equation where you just have a y or x. For this type of the problem, we're trying to find the value of y and value of x, but we have a two equation, so we'll be able to find the value of x. To solve this type of the problem, you'll be focused on one thing. If you find the value of x or y, you'll be able to find the value of the others. Let's say we find the value of x, we'll be able to find the value of y. And we can substitute from those after we find the value of one variable. So what you need to know here, what we're trying to do, if I have 7 with a positive and I have -7, it should give me a 0. So, and that's exactly what we want to do here. We want to find those two values have to equal, and then one have to be a negative and the other one should be a positive. So if you look at here, because we want to say x have to be a 0 and then y, so we can find the value of x. So we eliminate one variable and then we can find the value of y or x. So if you look at the equation here, there's nothing equal, so we don't have 2. So we have 2 here, so we should have 2 here with minus. Or we can have 3 here, also can give you the same thing. So if I put, okay, another thing you have to know is if I multiply 2, it has to be the whole thing. So let's say I choose 3 on the first one, I have to multiply 3 for all of the equation. So for this type of the problem, we're going to choose number 2, so we can solve the problem. So on number 2, we're going to say the whole equation is going to be -2. So let's do it. So if I multiply -2 to equation, I'm going to have, so the whole thing is going to be multiply minus, this one is not x. So the whole -2 is going to be the whole equation. So let's see what we got. So here it will equal -2x plus, because when you have negative times negative equal positive, that's the rule. So we have a -3 times -2, it should be 6y. And -2 times 2 equal -4. because the goal, we want to eliminate one of these variables. It can be y or x. So right now we can see the equation, it became like this one. So the new equation, it should be 2x, the one on the top, plus y equal 11. I'm still on the top. The bottom, it became minus 2x plus 6y equal minus 4. And now we'll be able to say this, that those two go, so I have 0 here, we eliminate x, and then we have 1y plus 6y, so we're going to have 7y equal. And then 11 minus 4, you should have a 7. So the new equation, it should be, so we have 0 plus 7y equals 7. That means 7y equals 7. That means if you have 7y, what the hell? So 7y equals 7. That means y equals 1. From here, you can find out what the value of x. So we already have a value of x. We can choose the one on the top or the bottom to be able to find the value. So let me raise this one. So we know from what we just got that y equal 1. You can take 1 and substitute here on the y, on the one on the bottom here. So we're going to use this one for the whole thing. So it should be x minus 3 times 1 equal 2. X equal minus 3 equal 2. We're going to add this to the both sides. 3. So x, it should be equal 5. Because this one is going to go with this one. And 2 plus 3 equal 5. So based on this one, we can say y equal 1, x equal 5, and that's how you find. So that's how you find the value of x and y.